Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher Lenin Castro. Today it's Monday, May 17, 2021, as you can see in the calendar, and today we're going to have a very short video because I only want to introduce to you the preposition of place. The prepositions of place we use it to say where something is. For example, you can see the cat in different situations. Let's see. Right here, we see the cat in the box. In means here, like the cat in the box. We have on, that means he's on the box, as you can see. Under, like he's right this. Under. In front of, behind, next to, above, below, between, on the left, on the right, or opposite. So these are the prepositions of place. Don't worry, you just need to see them, get familiarized, repeat a little in, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, above, below, between, on the left, opposite, on the right. So yeah, just repeat them as you are learning it, as you are seeing the picture. This is in, this is on. And we have an example here. We're not going to do it all, but this is an example. For example, the cat is sitting. The cat is sitting. Where is the cat? Oh, here is the cat. How is he? He's in front? No. He's above? No. He's on the chair. Where are the books? The books are here are the books. The books are they are on table. The shoes. Oh, here we have the shoes. And how are the shoes? Shoes are under. Yeah. We're not going to complete that. Tomorrow we're going to do it. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. See you tomorrow, guys. Have a very nice day.